We'll refill the brake fluids here. The air bubble is coming. Press many times the brake lever. What's up, idol? So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you the how to easy bleed the Zoom hydraulic brake from Kaabo Walking GT Pro. This kind of Zoom hydraulic brake is the same only with the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus and the Teverun Fighter Supreme. So in this video, I will share to you how to easy bleed and replacing the brake pad of Zoom hydraulic brake. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. So bleeding is a common procedure aimed at removing air bubble from hydraulic system on your vehicle. Bleeding hydraulic brakes on a Zoom brake system or any hydraulic brake system is a crucial maintenance task to ensure the optimal braking performance. Here are the general steps to bleed the Zoom hydraulic brakes. First of all, I will share to you the tools needed in order to bleed your hydraulic brakes. So first, you need the mineral oil or brake fluids. And then next is the bleeding kit. So I'm using the brand of Easy MTB. So in this, you need the syringe. Then you need the hose line like this. And you need the funnel and also the stopper and brake pad stopper also. And this, you need the T15 torque bits, T20 torque bits, and then the Allen keys hex 5 mm. Okay, and then the pliers, and then of course you need also the brake pad in order to replace your old brake pads. Also, you need a cloth or towel or tissue, and then you need to wear also gloves for your protection. First step that we need to do is we need to unscrew this. Okay, so we need to align the brake lever in order to not spill the oil. Okay, so we need to align like this straight line. So as you can see now, the brake lever and the stem bar is aligned. So next steps is we will remove these screws also from the caliper. So we need to use the 5 mm hex screws in order to unscrew the brake caliper. Next procedure, we need to remove the brake pad in order to insert this brake pad stopper. So this, you need the pliers in order to remove this clip. After that, we need to remove these screws using the T15 torque bits. Okay guys, always remember guys, don't lose this rubber. So it will protect from oil and penetrating the air bubble. After that, we need to use this adapter and need to insert here. Okay. Next procedure, we need to get the brake fluids here. Little amount or small amount of brake fluids in order to fill the air bubble here. So after that, we need to insert the hose in the adapter. So next step guys, we need to unscrew this in order to insert the panel. So we need to use the T20 torque bits. Okay guys, so in this, just make sure the rubber is not removed in the screws because it will provide protection in order to not to penetrate the air bubble in the lever. In this, we need to use the adapter from the bleeding kit, and we need to insert here like this. Okay, and then after that, we will insert the panel here. So just make sure guys, this is fully tight so that the air will not penetrate inside. We will refill the brake fluids here. So just a small amount only. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount only I put in the panel. Okay guys, after that we need to pull the handle of syringe like this. So as you can see, the air bubble is coming. As you may notice that the brake fluids becoming black, so that it means we cannot use this brake fluids and we need to throw it. So it should be the color of the brake fluids is red. Okay. After that, we need to remove the syringe and we need to return the screws. So in this guys, just make sure that the screws is fully tightened so that the air bubble will not penetrate inside the caliper. After that, we need to remove the brake pad stopper, and then we will replace the new brake pads of the Zoom hydraulic brake. In purchasing the brake pad, just make sure that the brake pad is fit based on the model of your caliper. Align properly the brake pad and insert to the caliper, and then insert the pin and use pliers to lock the brake pad. After that, press many times the brake lever in order to remove the air bubbles. Use a stopper to the funnel in order to not spill the fluids while removing the funnel. Use pliers to remove the funnel. Okay, so return the screws using T20 torque bits. Tighten properly and make sure that the air cannot penetrate and no oil leak in the lever.